The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Kwabra kwasi enyo papa de onkwa na obo chale dan so abiam to feel wate you know otumani na wo se kwa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
This is not gospel. It is Godfrey. Another brilliant classic.
As I look behind, what a wonderful story. Nothing more to say but to give Father God the glory. Oh, Ima. It's a fantastic dance in the moment from Mano. Sing hallelujah. Lyrical dexterity. Fans turn up, Father God bless me with him. Hands them up in the air, flex me with him. Till all y'all dip in my pocket, got the money now done. Rich rastas in a stardom. Almighty fill me cup, me counting money every day. Hallelujah. Go check my materials are alright. Daddy still a touch the road every night. I feel no say man a man same way. All that for the lifestyle toilet. Yellowstone, I don't know. Every root boy junior and now go children. Hallelujah.
The Mid-Morning Show.
Story. Not more for say but to give Father God the glory. Me pamini, oh Ima. It's a fantastic dance in the moment from Mano.
Hello Ghana, this is your Prince Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabra Kwasti.
So me keep me hype and the price I'm living my dream. My dream. No obstacles can stop my shine. Every ghetto youth has a dream. So I pray. Big up to all me fan day. And big up them. Know me my house this year. Fly go a foreign 3 times this year. Clean out, I'm sincere. Job on my side, who me have to fear. Can't go anywhere where me want go. Find them, see them look up to. Yeah, so me not see spray. Me give thanks each and every day. That I'm living my dream. My dream. No obstacles can stop my shine. Every ghetto youth has a dream. So I pray. Big up to all me fan day. Road have to take, money have to make. So me just a pretty $1,000 sign. For me ban me I suffer too much. Now snitch by me brother can me growing wise now. Work hard for myself and my family. Show love to my friends and the community. Say, not forget me thugs deep. If I talk, dig up the church, dig up the school, dig up the youth, wait, live up them gym. Dig up the real excellence in town. Who know feel live up your big up me country, big up Ghana, London, America to Jamaica. Big up Ghana, every upcoming artist, big up yourself.
And tomorrow.
And live out to your dream. Don't work hard, blessings flow like a stream. The killing thing and a business. Now let them see your witness. Just push hard and work hard and live up your dream. My dream.
Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Stop my shine. Every ghetto youth has a dream. girl, she a bougie, ghetto classy. Girl, a lady in the street, but in bed she gets so nasty.
Have a blessed
So
day.
fine, she don't look like movie actress. I know they looking for nothing perfect. My girl, you the one I'm wanting. My girl, put it on me, but so my girl. Say I want to make a my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. Sweet melanin, what a fine girl. African queen, yeah, that's my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. She be sitting like a oh nah, yeah, na 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 na. She be the baddest.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Now who better than you, Bad girl, you be all I need. I'ma hold it down and be all I can be, Haven't been around a nigga just like me. You the one I wanna see. Baby girl, you a movie star. Right, my darling, you are starring. Fine brown skin like Louis Vuitton. Yeah, put it on me, yeah. I'ma put you in a C-class so they can see. I'ma put you in a E-class so they envy. I'ma put you in a Maybach, become angry. I'ma put you in a Fendi, cause you're fancy. I just hope you understand me, stand me, oh no. My girl, she be like a oh nah,
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
See that sexy girl from Ghana. She too fine, one of a kind, I call her sexy nana. Yeah, she killing inside, I can't deny her.
Have a blessed day.
Cupid drop the instrumental straight from Ghana. Yeah, say I've been killing every show, I've been rocking every party. All the sexy ladies pull up and do the dirty wine for me. Say I've been killing every show, every day I'm getting money, and I wanna spend it all on the girl of my
The
dreams.
mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Let me talk to you, my baby. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you, baby. Let me talk to you, my baby. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you, baby. Slow down. Let me talk to you, my baby. Let me talk to you, baby. Let me talk to you.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
The way she walk on thing.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
You deserve a diamond ring. Black woman,
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
make we take it back to the
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
The high grade families in here. Now make a toast to your number one girl. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Like my heart beats when I lay eyes on you.
Have a
Girl,
blessed
you way
day.
too cool. Priceless, they can't put a tag on you. Shysters can't get close to you. And I'm excited to be the one to fit in your shoes. Gotta be your lover, I leave you never. My love know they change like the weather. Wake up in the morning with a smile on my face. And it's all for the fact that you're still on my case. My hair lover, fairer than the fairy godmother. Warmth in the cold, you my cover. Chain chiller, my suit when it hurts, you my painkiller. Blessed that we have each other. And it's not about my swag, my fame or cheddar. It was written in the stars, we got each other. It's all about you, the little things you do, where they make you my number one. And I can't deny, I can't live a day without you. My number one. It's all about you, the little things you do, where they make you my number one. And I can't deny, I can't live a day without you. My number one. She be hot like Killer Willie, put me in the mood to make I want Chuck Willie. Girl, I like the way you shout Willie, more bedroom skills like how you did it. She be hot like Killer Willie, put me in the mood to make I want Chuck Willie. bedroom skills like how you did it.
John Mr. J, baby.
The high grade families in here.
To the next level.
Now make a toast to your number one girl.
Have a
Don't you
blessed
make a
day.
sound. Just lay your body down. All you need is my touch. When it comes to you, girl, I'm never in a rush. Already in the mood, so I no go interrupt. Girl, your body hot, wanna make it all erupt. Take it slow, take it fast. Teamwork, pick and roll. On your grass, I just wanna take a stroll. Haha, I know you love it. No tripping, I ain't stopping till I'm right above it. Body smoking. High grade, you know the family, girl, we do it our way. Extra large, all day. JMJ on the beach, what's more to say? The one and only KB, top of my game, take it away. Hey, it's all about you, the little things you do, where they make you.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
I never see this kind of love before. I used to stand up tall, but now you done make a fall. Anything you want, I go give. You're my lover, my heavenly gift. Anything you want to say, cause I go love you every day. Cause you're that one girl. You're that one girl. You're that one girl. You're that one girl.
Yeah, never seen a guy quite like you. You're special, the exception to the rule. Yeah, you're my star, I'm your twinkle. And I love the way you kiss on my dimple. Yeah, when a party's just a talk. Them say we no go last, then say we just a walk. They wanna imitate us, cause they can't, they tryna separate us. Yeah, our bond is so strong. When the song ends, the music still goes on. One boy, one girl, one heart, one love, one world.
You're that one girl. You're that one girl. You're that one girl.
Have a blessed day.
Yo, send me wicked and bad. Boss girl, send me machine on your yard. Send me better than the rest.
Yo, Charlie Radio, so I taste it. You see me cheap up in a post. I want Ahinkan FM 93.3.
Send me better than the rest. Make a tune, busting in your face. Got the remedy, got the energy. More film, cleaning up the industry. These fake MCs in my pedigree. The original, try to copy me. No more drama, bring in some action. I'm the chosen one, you're just a fraction. Flow mathematics, I'm dope, you're an addict. Check your words, my body, check your diction. I'm the real deal, Charlie, no plastic. Try to copy my style, I change tactics. Yeah, Excel on my chest. You are now rocking with the best. Boss. Yo, send me wicked and bad. Boss girl, send me machine on your yard. Boss. Send me better than the rest. Make a tune, busting in your face. Yo, send me wicked and bad. Boss girl, send me machine on your yard. Boss. Send me better than the rest. Make a tune, busting in your face. We'll see me your leaders. I be founder, just amazing. I'm the grandmaster. Share, maybe mama flow proper. Do magic on the mic, second my superstar. New entourage, my own stylist. Do it extra large, high grade's finest. Boss girl, you my subjects, no stress. I pass you slow, class tests. Rat race, I'm a cut to the chase. Erase all fakes, hit the backspace. Facebook rappers, when she status. Me, I spit real rhymes, come sing my chorus. My eye red, like a tucker. Charlie, no giddy giddy. I do it bucka bucka. Yo, don't get caught up on my hit list. I'm the boss girl, I got this. Yo, send me wicked and bad. Boss girl, send me my shit.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Baby, stand, make us see your shape. Oh. I know the mind, oh, whether you be black or white. Oh. For me, it be your love way, you're the one to.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Ring my bell. Help me ring my bell. So come, help me ring my bell.
Have a blessed day.
Hala hala kate, 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 hala hala kate. Let me hear you. Hala hala kate, hala hala. See the way you beat, the make all the flow. You want my mind with your sexy body.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
This one is for my true lovers in the ghetto.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
For me, she can do without me. I'm her source of energy. She says I'm the only one, bright in the morning like the sun. No matter the situation, she won't trade me for any man. Sometimes her love them make me wonder. Oh my God, the things she do them make me ponder. Into the background and shower all day. I seem to act again and again. And yet the answer is what they. My drink, ya boni tutuo, ya shana bufuo, ya kini sutuo, sedi obesuro, na kume primpo, dini trimpo, he modonti, osidi otimano TV. We like Siamese twins, dangerously inseparable. Now calling Gary and Beans, deliciously palatable. My heavenly made bride, bride. We go like Bonnie and Clyde, yeah. My next level, I go there driving Bugatti. I see the picture of my next level, my next stage. I go there driving Ferrari. Baby, you watch my today, watch my tomorrow. We go there swim in money. Baby, you watch my today, watch my tomorrow. My next stage, we go to swim in money. Oh, my baby. Rough are the hello. Whether your sister, because I no getting money. She dey take to me hide and seek. Hey, I dey crazy. Money
the mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Money, let me hear you shout money. I no want pressure for myself. I no want die young. I want to dey live long. I want to dey count my money. I no one day under stress. I no one frustrate. I no one day think. I want to dey count my money. I no be magician.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
We be say I go steal money. Because of small problem, you carry another, then baby sorry.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I swear if I get money today, I no go change my life, oh. I go be like this, like this, like this, yeah. And as God created night and day, I go make hay while the sun they shine my way, my way. Don't watch my today, watch my tomorrow. We go this way.
Radio Papa, I pose again. Thank you.
Oh my baby.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hey. I see my picture in my next level. Hey, I go this way, Bugatti.
I see the picture of my next level, my next stage. I go there driving Ferrari. Baby, don't watch my today, watch my tomorrow. Rough are the hello. Whether your sister because I no getting money, she dey take to me hide and seek.
Hey,
I dey crazy.
hey,
Money be power.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I no want pressure for myself. I no want die young. I want to dey live long.
I want to get some money.
I no one day understand. I no want for
Hey, I know what to tell you.
I want to dey counting my money. I no be magician. Baby, take it easy. I no be politician.
Hey, everybody. Okay. It's a good program. Hey.
Don't do comparison.
Hey.
I promise you, I will make you happy.
Get money today. I'm not gonna change my life. Oh, I'm gonna be like this, like this,
like this.
Right, so music of Keche. Song released in 2018. They call this one Next Level. And he says, if I get money today, I won't change. I will always be like this, so humble. So when money comes today, surely you will swim in money. Surely I will take you to places. Surely. Alright, so 42 minutes after 10, 93.3 FM. I hope you are doing good. Right, so midweek edition of Ejuma Juma right here on 93.3 FM. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning, 19th October 2022. And of course, you are live on Ahinkan 93.3 FM, transmitting live from Achimabo, the studios of Kia Frakoma. Right, so let's get interactive. Send me a message on 05941. Sorry, 0594-841-044. I beg your pardon. 0594-841-044. Send me a text message. Let's get interactive here on Facebook as well, on Twitter, and also on YouTube. Ahinkan 93.3 FM. Right, remember motivational message in the GF. Ahinkan 93.3 FM. I'm saying from a Kobina Costi, a Branty for the perfect gentleman, from Bruce Money, many DJ Shabo Copy K, and Nana to Pahi the first for the first time since last week at Pahi Kofi and Ra. Wako Jare.
Success in my next
level. Oh, I go this swimming in that. Success in my next level. My next stage, oh, I go this swimming in that. Hey, watch my today, watch my tomorrow. I go this swimming money. Watch my today. And you when a mommy GD say, to me what a charamamu. So you see, Keche and they were big, like they were huge back in the days. But Keche actually got, I'm trying to say a lot of money. When okay, so after this song was released in 2017-18 thereabouts, I said, watch mine today, watch mine tomorrow. I will see me money. And trust me, both Joshua and Andrew, both of them are swimming in money. Mama swimming Kemi. Charlie, watch mine today, watch mine tomorrow. I will drop that Alachaka and I will be driving an AMG. I wish you higher Hinkana 3.3 of Maminchia. I'm a taxi driver as usual. And come on, Brad David Pasco, Raouf, MP3, Staga, Obama, Ricardo Tango, Batapa Jonathan. Sister with him, that rehearsals and I come dream. My bodies and a minimum. Tilapia Ganjos appear. Bringing an open Jamukoku Bonash. Good morning. Young Drew, Abu Abu Hayadia KNL Fashion. Mr. Oben Fashion, Mr. Chumesi, and now Fay, sending for you any back up Salum the Gambia, Baraman Quine. SDA Junction, God's time is the best fashion, Mahana, with the girls Nina, Bramichael, good morning. And come up parties, golden scissors, Asada Beauty Salon, Genesi Fashion, Charity Fashion, our Kameni Junction, Jaji was what Company Junction, old education, a quality fashion. Akotoma Reasi of Frida's clothing. Good morning. For who would see a show in a teach at the pump for hairdresser for fine yogurt for meat pie for pure water for maybe I will be out here show to a provision store or office. Right, Maminchia corporate institutions, Maminchia Ghana commercial bank staffs, Nina, and Comma Edna, and Comma Brassa, Mongina more Ghana commercial bank, Briabo Chayemi Chalope DVLA, my face with Dennis or health insurance. Good morning. You check your snap for Nina, no pay, Yanama, week, a query answer. We got an able quarter. Right, so since it's a Wednesday, I'll bring you lifestyle segments, and today I'll be telling you ways to detoxify your mind. Hey, this thing, as I was reading it in the morning, in the office, I was like, Charlie, I need to do some. So I will tell you why you should detox your mind. Ways on how to detox your mind. So stay right here with me. Go nowhere. 93.3 of motivational message in a jiffy. I mean, she press a lot. What first up? Oh no, mommy, manche.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
You know the name, right? Practice. Hey baby, you done beat me too much. It's smart, make I see your dimple. Pretty girl, I'm loving your touch. Hey bad girls, me I know the lingo. I never ever say you bye-bye. Never ever leave you single. Hey, anytime I did by your side, you make me feel so simple. Simple, my baby, simple.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Change you within and I'm afraid with sweet girl. Nim the Abama me jammy pretty girl. Sick of you, you where you did make my heart beat where. Oh no, when you can't say me teddy bear. No, Pessica, some on your money girl. On I'm now with Tasha shower with our girl. Then if any grab a shower, feel anybody girls. Halle Berry, Debbie, or your first chain, Halle Berry. What hitting, what my crew, my celebrity. But to me, mama straight to say Teletubbies. Very funny. Say, hey baby, you the baby too much. It's smart, make I see your dimple. Pretty girl, I'm loving your touch. Hey, bad girls, me, I know the lingo. I never ever say you bye-bye. Never ever leave you.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Make me feel so simple. Simple, but baby, simple.
Ejumo.
I'm from my father, don't it too? Many women don't it too. Hey, Madame Yadam Preco, or day. Madame Yadam Preco, or day. And family know me and don't it too. You say, hey, I can't pay Mama well. Adam Son, I remember the day, very swam Mama. Other pictures are they take my love for you. Let you know you want they say, make a shame the devil. If you love me as a man, now I'm forever. A day. But sometimes with me voice about sometimes me nimbe bia me voice no saya me koda hiu na voice na baba Pan Shady, I met the church choir. Sanya, more voice, more boys, by a new more voice, the same voice. I was here at the church choir. And now there be a young sorry, then you better community choir. Many of us saw my way. Hey, other pictures and they take. Hey, make you not hear what they say. Make you shame the devil. Make you land in the man. Sometimes me trimuna I am a many mugis. I am a many mugis voice here back. Sometimes I am a say many mugis here. I mean we have something in common. And I must see AI boom. Sometimes I find it very difficult to choose between AI and also Mugis. I am miss me one account, and this is between AI, Mugis, and myself. If I see myself to be a very good singer. Oh, so AI here and trick mouthing the cause this one more trouble. And you when a mommy voice need to be people. Hey. Over your shit. Over your you saw your sa. Kakanu sama mina mabo. Motromajo. Yes, who are you? Adufuku eba. The pamadia, yeah. Brana basha. Ni penye. Ya baka. Ni penye. Seba. Eba. Ni penye. Ya baka. Ni penye. Hey, Seba. Where your thing? Hey, the song now to chill with your mouth for. Hello, I'm seeing the match. If you come on, here, I come in here for the side. Just pray for me. Hey, that's a move. Now, many why be pen or be bear can sell or cut us. A bambo, Matiana Sano, may function you muti and Yanume. No, I love this song too much. I just don't know why. I love the melody, I love the lyrics, I love the instrumentation, I love everything. Alright, so let's get in straight into our daily dose of motivation here on 93.3 FM. Your time will come. And I am Proper Richie. Right, to miss it right after the break on lifestyle segments. Metro ways to detox your mind. Here on 93.3 FM. When you say mind detox is the practice that should be done daily. You don't know, eh? Right. So I will throw you more into that here on 93.3 FM. But in the meantime, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. So you see, any idea and crown shots, somebody, bro. Your motivational message. Yeah, the brother no pay. A kind courtesy Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. So for all your wedding photographies, birthday photographies, passport pictures, picture framing. Near Diana, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Achimodan Liberty Transport, opposite Kinal Pharmacy. Call us on 0245-276638 for more enquiries or further enquiries. just give us a call on 0245-276638. Now, so to our daily dose of motivations, and I'll pray you learn to keep your secret because not everyone is happy for you. We're very deep. We're crying trust here. But learn to keep your secrets because not everyone is happy for you. Me patrol asem we die ye nkyeremu. Ye be kyeremu so ani ye pese ye kyere se. Ewi ase a wo bai. Siansania ye kan ya no tum. Siansania ye keep your secret. Siansania one time fa won sem enkyere nkofo. Because enya woma esri kyere nya na power asem. Woma mo ya wo ya de o ya de o. Enya safo ni nya na wish se wo be kop empempenso bi wa brabo mu. Think about ya keep secrets. One say one no my basa nyina. Eya wanu a untumi nkanto ntia. Ene na wasem ada bonten. Ene na waka we akiro bi. Me say minimum obi a obetu kwan. O kan kiro bi a say hey. Chale 15th November me tu kwan o. Enye say bia odan to aboabo na bia odan to nkran. In fact nanka o free odan ko UK. Obi ateye 15th November, that is last year. 15th November, Charlie had to travel. Oh, bro, like my flights go left like 7 a.m. in the morning. Like my flight go left. So like 6 hours time, I go reach Heathrow. And this guy, in fact, Okachobia for an area they say the travel go UK. 15th November. Obia, I mean, everyone was expecting him to leave on the 15th November. As I speak to you, na. You see a Krobi Washanti region, you're from sorry, Central region, Anchorage. I'm from Anchorage. I can't wait to me uncle Waferi Wakosha Anchorage. As someone person me showing you say, sometimes your confidential issues be on my, you need to keep it to yourself. And you same be an your bar money. And you be beyond your catcher obi, and you be beyond what's a proper chile obi. What you say? Woman, what can we shut us down for you now? Woman, no turn table back on to Saturday. Woman, no turn table, no one rain, son. Woman, no turn table, no rain now, Saffron. Bakubi woman or power down for. Bakubi woman, ne ninja u progress home. Bakubi woman, kwa cost was sent for board, ne ninja home. Basu. In as much as you guys are friends from childhood, in as much as you guys are friends from the same church, and on church, you should be telling them your secrets. You should be telling them some confidential information about yourself. No, not even to your twin brother. Yeah, one semi wohanoma. I mean, I was so catching for. My grandfather, my late grandfather, used to tell me this. Or say, if you want to believe a friend, yeah, tell him a lie. And when he's able to keep the lie as a secret, then you tell him the truth. This is what I always remember my grandfather for. Or say, if you want to know how worthy your friendship is, like with your friend, tell him a lie. Control channel. And if he's able to keep that lie as a secret, then you can go ahead and tell him the truth. Listen, and you be a go. Obi asun we keke. Ate wase wo bi. And the sana o breno. Sana wo tumi nka wano ntum ntino. Won sana na wo bre. Sania wo tumi nka wano ntum ntino. Naka wase ade papa bi ba hun se wo pa. But that's why I say you went around telling people. At the end of my, but a static conversation. At the chronic my, but everyone around you knew of that particular thing. After into me, Amba, please learn how to keep secrets, because not everyone around you wants to see you smile. It's even in the Bible. One more way, Jesus, Ajenkwan, Jesus Christo, Savior, healer. These were the same people who were yelling at him. Mon kobana senguemu, Mo fa da doa kakra kapa no. Mo fa hwehwe nsem. Mo fa ba twetwa na chi. Sa owusu na mo kosie na. In fact, mo mbra obo ase. Mo be pe obo kesa kesa ni bi fa to ne tombo na no. Mo mbra chi ase nso. Mo pe soja fa kesa ni bi wa chi ase magina na no. O e be ma won pie ni ahwe. But these were the same people. And now mo can say, hey, Arjinkwa, hey, Wazu, hey, healer, hey, savior. Me patcha say, mo try even Jesus Christ, amo de yellow. How much more me Kobina Boatin? How much more Kwame Jumo? Councillor Jumo? How much more Efia Pat? How much more Koku Konto? Me patcha ya de bayo. Me kasa and can someone train for. But me catch you said there are confidential information here you need not to broadcast. Vital information be wo. Eh brave was in any Jimmy home. Or person ya me ho ade. Before you realize na ya fa wachi. Na ya ji boy brand no from museum. Na wa ye no ho ade. Na oti ho. Oh guy we dey minyan ka me peba ni bottom no. Bottom ni shada nye, me ni shada nje ho sa. Before you realize na dan for na o catch red no so two staff no. Na dan for no show. Na da chi bi ni pakro na no ko office there onye ye no. Wa be ye na wa dan for no mum tede. Me pa cho kan wa no tum. Shut up. Shut up. Kan wa no tum. And then motivational message, you know, if we Councillor Jumo, Mom will say my Councillor Jumo. Master, won't you clap for yourself? Right, so we are going on a quick commercial break. Yababa is here. Yaba, next Wednesday, you bet your ways on how to detox your mind here on 93.3 of Medical Culture. Say, mind detox is a practice that should be done daily. In case you don't know. So stay tuned, 93.3 FM. When we come back from that quick commercial break, good morning.
Say you cast Dominion herbal powder amount immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wotadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ne o
adon dey fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yese me say
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye wo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enuanso anya wonsu ohia wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase biagumu wa twan seti yanum wa wie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo abata mo manufo ene kwada woni fiedum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Bribi fufro epiwa paymentum. Achemu dani ni mpotame. Our time mini mat and bar. Eye biaya sonko kura eyi ni tu achemu dan. Nani bibi. Nehye so edamufua. Our time mini mat and bar. Ewo biaya sonko ya tudi nse bamboo in. Bamboo in. Nani bibi. Okwa no mo a. Ensa udro bia benye bia to. Enu ti da bia. Duada kwasi ada. Won wo honom. Okwa benye bia tena dwodwo ho kama. Quality wine, body splash, perfume, deodorant, liquid soap, foreign sardine, any foreign goods in na. Provision bianso, obenye biato. Dear Dennis say bia obedi jumasu bi birthday and a program bi no pe bia tena abuja. Enu so benye baby kama. Na dear desronko kra e wo bamboo in. And say bia audition bi edin birthday. And ani je bi and aba. And a person surprise obi a. Dear yan so beba bamboo in. Womo be package kama. And a hamper nice one. Near the cost surprise ni pano. No mom shall so say your dan ya dia uncha delivery fee. Say your dan dia ubecho bibi kakra. Bamboo in. Our time mini mat and bar ase woma cha kwan e wa chem dan wom ne MTT de no ene di hwanu mu pe meche police station na e won kwantanu mesro fra na oni mu din sa so sisi ai ne surprise of dofoma 0244 732075 and 0244 868385 our time mini mat and bar bamboo in aji esimi you love it.
It's hard.
classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment said you see a namuno see a casi ye can was my cadabachi ni ye can form a man for one more yasu and miracle pay beer say a crowd and a goo more a cock the na pimples I send a nim a cock
classic ointment
the na a yam out of turn home a my cock will be an proper hano a cock
ointment near powerful pa
she ingredients ya wadi ye classic ointment no e bi ni aloe vera a paya petroleum jelly cassia alata hunam na ni bia a crow pimples a yam ana proper aguo no enu an se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no wo de classic ointment no bi ebesremu na be hu say yes ointment papa bi o baby
me de classic ointment esiesie me ho ama age me say enye nanso pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
and titru wo hene na herbal koforidua frisia bako and sons kumasi edu o repash herbal okaisia kra netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833
FDA age edwede nkrato yato
Mido, asa na die fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 na ma efia e hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA ban ni Nko Limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sen kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na dia ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina ase no bia papepata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu anso na me de wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
ban wo nyoma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudi ni body say
JA Bani Nko Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pedian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dodon dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso. Ene nyaruwa kesian kaya wuti ni din ene ho ka na oyamwa hyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afri ho enna wo mpo a omo wa nyaruwa ne dada na omo nom doctor enuro no ennom Imbusaba Mesa no a emo mo ahoden pintin ya wo mo ntimpo se yare ehye omo ho Imbusaba Mesa ewo kanshi ene o man mu babia ye ton enuro etufo mfra 0246 208496 Imbusaba Mesa police no edrono enkra
Ewra me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag im
bra aden enanso biem
time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba akun ane wayi me yensen
bra sanya time heba me hya esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen
we de udi se ofa ni nyina
time heba me hya me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture
enye enu nku o de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada nofo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi
se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo a 3-day malaria yi bi ansa
se o petam heba misha enuro dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo Atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi ura pharmacy shop chemical shop any herbal shop dudu na mu a obenya bi ato
fre 0244 417669
kayo time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ
FDA ahwe adwadie nkrato yi mu agi atomo se eye
Pacific Mars Enterprise. Amazing Grace. Yedi abrocha bagana. Wasesemu kura. Akofa niema wuduo pe. Edi efia abrochira ba. Edi na wo pesa woto. Say brand new. Ana say home use. Say stuffing chair, sofa chair, dining chair, office chair, wheelchair, outdoor chair. Any nkonya wudu edi ha nyina. Say center table, glass, ana say wooden table. Yetunto musical instrument awuduo, pumping machine, hand dryer, yetunto microwaves, toaster, electric iron, and fe washing bowls awuduo. Ayedima hairdressers, whoop and fan edi above them. Afe TV no, yetunto inches awuduo nyina bi yaso ye. Na yen ironing board no, eye casual bakope, woolen carpet, and afe shovels nyina. Yakofo original tenter. Yetafre tapoli ni biaba. Enunti sa opedia rente. Ubi yaso ya. Wobenye biato. Pacific Mars Enterprise. Esantonto bags awuduo nyina bi. Traveling bags, another school bag, baby scooters so ya one ye jana so gym instructors, ya the gym machines papa and the February Pacific Mars Enterprise. So free Akimoda, now Koswadra, coupon checkpoint 1 more, and ya walk fraying 0547 716580 and 0542 308730 Pacific Mars Enterprise. A bubronkosia a dear bay insider.
Kwekwe brabehwe ene party amekọ no abrochen so ne de serve me o de hwe ne bottle ni kura me Hey, Uja. Wait, I'm not coming over to. Ah, now tenenka. I'm not coming over to. Ghana Hayani, you know. Now, Oda say, so Pamuda Pona, a Ghana commercial bank, car park one more, and a dish and mupe. I want Safufun, and unti, sop and do go Saudi year, would dear wedding, Aberdeen tour, party, so no more fear, and I do my dear beer, the patch of 0249 680 213 and a 0500 231 091. Ah, in so near then and packaging so FSA and natural mineral water. Aye natural FDA adia tum say aye.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Anytime you passing for road now, every other girl for that road must bow. You to find me a J, I must try to make my name by. So anywhere you see Dog and Mighty, tell them say when they make a way. When they Chai, Chinekele.
Let me do it.
metro. Wabeji mimpina, wa mama ye wesa. Akokura wo ye wina. Wabeji mimpina, mimbisa mimpina ana. Wasi uye metro. Oh my woman, oh my baby, baby come back to me. I no go fail you tonight. You are my shorty, you are my body, you are the one and only. I make you feel alright, right. Nobody, why me never see somebody like Olumambo. Them be sweet, sexy like cheese. With your back on, no, no. With your back on, no, no. Dance with your back on, no, no. With your back on, no, no. So I said, I'm cheche, that's your coma. From Africa, get the beat. Dance to the groove and feel the heat. I saw someone not see, I know you need more. So I'm not traffic, Mama who of it, where the fed, no retreat, no surrender. Mama who of it again, and just say Akuma, Linda, Barbara, Monica, Jessica, Pamela, Sarah, gift in a diner. Money now come on, Muyo go out, Asamoah, Muyo go out. Baby, baby, you they make my mind is cut down. Gonna get who of it. I did that, then for you get it out. Baby, Jessie, Sana open, Asamoah, Sana open. Now I'm taking over.
My baby, I'm ready to see it. Hey, the way you find, the way you are, the way you were, I never do. Shoo, I never do. Right, so 93.3 of our Wednesday. It's exactly 20 minutes after 11. It's still tuned into the best mid-morning here on 93.3 FM in Achema Boabo, all the way from Akuafra Kuma Studios. And my name still remains. Jenny me champion boat in the Cosmos. Call me Jabruzumani. Call me Kobina Kosti. Call me a branch upon the perfect gentleman. And of course, I am your branch driver. I make sure Juman be call you come upon. I make sure say BBA be call na kwemoniadia. Any amount. Right, so welcome back from that quick commercial break. Me kono munsio. Me kopen nsuo bi no ye. Nsuo ne unnatural mineral water. Me nye chimodin for. I'm not greedy, I'm not selfish. I don't keep things to myself. I make sure I share with my people all the good news I have. That is why I want to introduce to you the best drinking water in town apparently, and that is unnatural mineral water. Unnatural mineral water. Me pacho pebinum. Send and say we are me bana wa dwen ho hye no. So one pay so papa bia no ma with two messages. Was so be shepa. It is oba no munsuo anwan nru ahodo wa jimafa. Nru ahodo message mo ne ade na say Food and Drugs Authority so share there. Hey, chiwe. In fact, say FDA approving kwadia. No any unnatural mineral water. Okay, shimbia pebito. Na first service was here. Oko achemoda. Ghana Commercial Bank Op City Honoma. The depot now if you want pebia to answer. Free was 0249 680213 na 0550231091. Unnatural mineral water. Or say pure. Nepacho Ocheman Development Association, you know. Still. We want to come together and make this community a great one. And to say we Obia, you have this community progress at heart. If you want to see Ocheman development, or se a chronic tumpom. In fact, the mama sharing on Facebook and YouTube, Ochem for name and Tema for one on name. If you are interested in making sure Ochimai, I don't want to use America for it though. Like Ochimai will be great again. In fact, we are still great. And I will see you. Okay, so if you want to be a member of Ochimai Development Association, Oba Henkane for man by pick forms. Forms ni Jessica, but by pick forms for free. But the TNA every month to be a contribution of 10 cedis. 10 cedis per. 10 cedis per. Now be a part of Ochimai Development Association. Just 10 cedi. Now for boy. Now you be share here. And puntu nyuma wo kroman o yan twen politician bia. Yan twen government official bia. Yan this has 10 cedi ya. Now ya dia na bibia tima kosu ye pa. Nyakopon yadoma 28 October. We're still in the breast cancer month, and we're making sure our beautiful ladies. No, and I say, and return for us, and also me can ye because Sandra me can for us, and conform Dimitri baby super me pa. Almost same sorry, my can for it was a Atana Dikai. Atana started or starting a Mavis is so. And a part is so Madame Adaroma, Madame Netchaje me. But then you say, and the 28th October, I can kind of Yani Jubilee Hospital, Yakambom breast cancer screening a free, a cost where we fear higher, your four courts, a higher and a cost with Yani Jubilee Hospital, and Yakambom. You say, man, I'm with you in the Mepacho, Mombra, Namumaya free screening. Free breast cancer screening. Mepacho. Beshase kukrami e binya ebe to wonu fudimu. Ana se bia tomu kradeda. Na yamboa oni entu ase. Se unim sene tia in fact ehu pa. Go on the internet na kwahwe sene breast cancer tia. Echi obi a in fact ehu. Yetimi twanu fo no krato dwene. We unso baka makama pon am no nienu fo. So who be that? Just go on the internet and go and see for yourself. Ejimesraw men for no for ni de men for ndi agro. Then say you be the I say we will pledge to protect the breast forever and ever. In fact, we have pledged to protect Enu for the rest of our life. Yes. It is how your banner with Tim and Kwandia, me pacho. Brana be screening free breast cancer no Jubilee Hospital and kind of fam and the bro. 28 October, our Henkan Efia ya anti-bra. Yamba no for home, was no for the who here pa. Obiano no for us as is. Seahorse engine oil, taxi driver, truck driver. Mesro, Pebito, now car engine running here pa. Once I call up and down. We just drop in the idea, obiti free a call, Kumasi, obiti just drop in the call, ware. Obiti just drop in all the name, say she honey baby near. Me pacho Quanawa, say she quan so they see quantan time pa. Over not just our car engine I am, me pacho. So press our car engine on Yahweh in a tear port to send me the idea. And one see horse engine oil, over son, man for bunkele, man for concochi concoy, we are papa. Hey, then on the seahorse engine oil. 0244577559 now 0240800007 Seahorse engine oil, quality engine oil for your cars and the motor engine. In so to talk anti yariaba. Amaje seti yariana sanya tia bia brana mutu asiam fama. What you say? Typhoid. I was so amaje say typhoid there. Nkwala yare gra. O ba to ase. Osa. Syphilis, hypertension, kidney problem, gonorrhea, diabetes, infertility, yarebonipa. So what is Kako Arena Sabio? Nya crown TB of ye, brony for the infertility. Mutu me walk, Pepachobra. I am one fe on come one so mad though, so more Johnny or some cost strike. Young bomber sooner munjamanazo. That's me budgeman and young Kalani be breathy. And Tino Kwama Jail Bar Clinic or watch him or da. Red Cross Junction, opposite of a Green Gas Filling Station. There was 0244-877-840 and 0205-045-665. I'm a J.A. Clinic and Wajari Safie. Now, so we a boy now with him and Kwama Michelle and Sawasro. Oh, I don't pay down Sawonia Bemana. I am pay down, sir. And one no. At the Bema one pay down, I just say, I choke. What to be Bajuma? Woman Pedro San Kwana with me budget when I say, "Who testimony for who to having you, who to having you, who to having you." Me pato ba juba. Na ya kasa ze intro. Mesro. And no one the new best man capsules. Sam Kolanya ko school me boa. And Kolanya ko school. Me can't wait. I said, put the phone quantity. And the new best man capsules. Me patch up pebito. Over to me, Bajuma pa. Early discharge, low sperm count, erectile dysfunction, severe waist pain, burning sensation, gonorrhea, near day, prostate disorders. But twice the amount. The new best man capsules. And my bema ya bema. And my bema coquantin. My bema tutu a pill. My bema shoot from a distance. And my mema yankache. Mama boy in and out. Mama winning home matches and away matches. Mama Timmy popping ping. Mama yet me born some running with 2 minute view. What you say? I tell me patch of pebito. A natural aphrodisiac, purely herbal with no side effects. Or call drugstore be able to watch him at Coaching drugstore or be a more for Kennedy drugstore. Cofisco. I'm not too messy, always drugstore. Kede phone call Martin Kumi Mr. and Song Harry Pearl Chemical. Honina Benyabiato. A swamp for Moko Blessed Chemical. One cry of shame of Facebook. For Ken's Walk here by Jones Elban and watching Tinatech. Honina Alfred 0244 966 043 now 0208 288 099. The new best mark capsules. Bijou Mary Majedi. Rice was at a tight tea after 11. Young cost straight now for a your mount, your lifestyle segments. Senamidi can catch on right on our lifestyle segment today. I'll be telling you why and also ways to detox your mind. Ways to detox your mind are very necessary. So just this morning I was reading something on the internet and it was about Genevieve. Yeah, Genevieve. When you go on her Instagram page, you would see I deleted every post and she has unfollowed everyone on Instagram. Sources be a benefit. Says she's facing, she's going through a lot, depression and also some mental challenges and all. You see, sometimes they're very necessary to get things off your mind, very necessary to detox your mind, very necessary to abstain from certain things. You see, depression and mental challenges, it doesn't come easy. What do I say? It only comes when someone is really going through some tough time. So today, I'm here to tell you some ways why you should detox your mind. Very necessary. Very necessary. Somebody can't kind for the answer. Say, mind detox is a practice that should be done daily. It should be done daily. Now, protecting your mental space should be your top priority at every given second. Toxic activity and people sow seed of pain, overthinking, and you see, these things, let me tell you this. If you want to stay healthy, it's not always about eating good food. It's not always about brushing your teeth in the morning and also in the evening when you want to go to sleep. No. What drain on who here and who here papa. You see, be very conscious of yourself. Mental health in the agro. You should also take charge of what stays on your mind. Now, so a great way to achieve mental peace and detox your mind from negative activity and people, listen, separate yourself with anyone who does not add anything positive to your life. Mrs. Subiamana. Mrs. Separate you who free nipa bia. On for positive. Adie bia and mawa brabum. Anything positive to your life. Me pacho sha wo dwen hu yie pa. And I say wo dwen mental health hu yie pa. You need to separate yourself from anyone who does not add anything positive to your life. Now, regularly, you need to examine your space and clean out people who do not bring or add any value to your life. Make sure everyone you engage with is actively adding something to help your life, to make your life a better one. It is also a life, there are people who are not adding anything positive to your life. I beg, get rid of them. Cut them off your life. Because people with negative ideas, people with negative activities, every day they make you think of a normal being consulting. They add a lot of stress to your existing stress, because to live in Ghana there, in fact, you are already living in a stress country. So if you don't clear off the negative people, someone would depress your depression. What you say? And if you don't want anyone to add some sort of depression to your existing depression, you need to clear off the depressed people out of your depression. My point number 2, you need to pray or you need to meditate. Right, so this is an effective way to help calm your mind. During meditation, you focus your attention and eliminate the stream of jump thoughts that may be crowding your mind and causing stress. The process may result in enhanced physical and emotional well-being. It is very necessary. And now use effective method to keep your mind calm. Diffusing oils having great benefits and producing an excellent feeling of relief from stress and anxieties. Get a 50% discount on the whole Virgin Oil pack using the code. Okay, so this one, okay, 80% checking now. They say you need to pray and you need to meditate. It's an effective way to keep your mind calm and to empire to me and a meditation. You won't call for me or Honoma. They are meditating. I have a friend like that. Only the one come on channel 30 minutes. You lose this friend off the conversation. Like whatever you guys are talking about, nana doing the hobby. He likes to meditate a lot. What's I mean, obako. Yatihona ubon soko. Oko asin. He's not. How do I say this? Me person make us nekra every anymore. But me ready be the share. It's not nana hoso. But I say, friend now just all right. But he's lost. In common mudino, he's lost. This is what he does. Obatina say no why is he? No why is he? Now Osha baby later was why after waba back. What never channel? Yeah. Obeka show say, Charlie, I have a lot on my mind. It is my din and focus on certain things are having. So sometimes or yes now or yes I need to get rid of certain things. You know, maybe a there. And I also thought it twice. No, I think this guy. I mean, some Luciana Beboa. What I say? Because me patrol a crow where a woman, any country where a woman, any assassin where I was no stress a dozen. To be a man, first to be a man. Now, wow, Miss Omunyamase. A friend of me who said, Mufamasa Mumra. To be a man is not easy. Yes, there are a lot of people. I'm caught through in your searching. Me patrons, one man humbre. I'm finding empire. I'm meditating. You go mad. Yes. And you'll be our bottom around the whole street in Kwan or bottom. There are people dressed in suits, nice shoe, mirror ones, not at Topahin the Nibi, but proper mirror shoes. But they are mad, they are on the streets. What they call Kano, Obeti. Same happened this morning at the office when I was going through this. So when I was going through the script, when I was reading, I had a call. Hello, and I'm saying, "What's a good morning?" And I'm saying, "Morning." What's that saying? I'm saying, "I'm here to move." Patron, I'm saying, "Now, or just miss me here." No, that's it. My mistake be na me send it as I'm going to one. I was very stressed this morning. Until I'm being honest. Yeah, me cussing and me can't now. I say my mistake being a master. I'm saying, fuck a second one was a day. Yeah, she was a day. Me cut the crowd from you. Massa, we have a lot on our mind. You, man, found the name kind. What's a day? Kwasani na mpala coming from me for na dem mano. Ampo me pass out the crowd. Yeah, yes you. Two friend catch up say, what send me my own casa was send this car. I say my sending na the mano. No. On one can't say no. And dear granny. Right, so point number 3, ask yourself important questions. Busa ho important questions. Question about me busa ho bi. How can I influence positively? And I say, how can I influence positivity? Na sabusa ho say, What are some of the unhealthy habits you can break free from? Ask yourself these questions. What are some of the things you think you should avoid? What are some of the things you think, it's very unhealthy? Ask yourself all these questions, analyze them, sit yourself down, and think of the bad things you think you need to resist from. With some more questions. Because they are very necessary. Mental health. Okay, so point number 4, be selectively social. This is our point, our last point. Be selectively social. Be mindful of who you share your time with. Connect with people who can have a huge positive impact on your life and well-being. I think your motivational message, we spoke about this. So this is our last point. Become selectively social. Yes, see, be mindful of who you share your time with. Also, you need to connect with people who can have a huge positive impact on your life and well-being. Very necessary, man. Who you share your time with, very necessary. See, if you don't take care, you will share your time with the wrong person. And not quite alone. It gives 98.8% stress. Obi boyfriend awakofano wasazizo. They bia one stress. Obi girlfriend wakofano. Brother nyakopon. And then I was on Nama. Watchana obi there film. Watchana you brother yakomate. Hey. What that? You see obi guy ejano. Mr. Mano Pazel. Shabo Minga. Oh, anyway. Oko Dina. Oko, baby you. Asa. If you are Obiga Jano. You see what house. Hey, Oko Dina. Oko, baby you. Oh, my bantam. That's what I want to hear. Damanasa. I tell you how you need to detox your mind. This is what we are sharing with you on a lifestyle segment. Okay, so for the 5 into 11, let's do some cool music. You're on 93.3 FM. Once again, good morning.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Why no back to me say we shall wait ni ma. I'm ready, why no back to me say we shall wait ya. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. My baby, my baby, my baby, you belong to my heart. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way you yanga, it making me cool. They making me second. They making me colo. I go die you. Second. I go die you. Oh baby sick. Oh baby dance. Baby sicky. Oh baby sick. Oh baby dance. Baby sicky. Come on. My baby sicky your waist. My darling shaky your waist. I told you shaky your waist. Shaky your waist. Shaky your waist. My baby shaky your waist. My darling shaky your waist. Kolo, me tipo, Why no back me say me shall wait ni ma. I'm ready, why no back me say me shall wait ya. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. My baby, my baby, my baby, you belong to my heart. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way you yanga, it dey making me colo, it dey making me second, it dey making me colo. I go die you, second, I go die you. Time baby, you know they had last too. I help me see. All right, on the low, on the low, take it out.
Ole, Jajije fair kwa mi ni ye fe show ni mintu wa konku ni mapasa bebu bebu Kaji ya paiwa ni mi ye kwa ni mintu wa wonu fio ni mafa bebu he wo ya jila koni madonula shinga je ba ka she esoila amada ba kon ke sheba wonu eko febu inu ole shibon ka chokaji am filantu mi ka dosu eto bo ye he mi ele awu mbafu adele ni samo he shade ba ta shini anga ni ngo boy wona iwa ke fimo kelala mo ala ju mo ajo he wo nsuolo lala ne bruno bele mo fe na wo atele shawa mo da na hiyo e akwa ko ni da ni akwenyo he wona mi he china ke ba fia papato ni nyema ijuni ke ba wo kulutu cholo do bon do cho mambi ikana you ke japandu ko ke ani kusubu so ina you cholo cho te cho mambi
Baby, go.
Questy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning into Kabla Questy.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
That's what we love is that's what I ask of you. Ain't it about it total more? See they act like they're rap from
Thank you. Away. VIP. Away. Radio Papa. Abozeke. Thank you.
Papa Kwasi. Papa VIP. One hour. Charlie and Father to follow. Show go to me na what's
Everybody now, hey, Seba, Obi. Hey, what now do you girl? You do me so. Let me know. Hey. Hey, what's here? A drag of this year. Hey. Right, so when this song was released in 2012, Charlie, that time we call party party and one way I want call party no. Now the bear ya pass we just stage now say be own one on phone na DJ na ye. would say, oh, no, yeah, I got it, touch on your gut. Shay. I need time. She tell me.